নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল 1000 জিকে সিৰিজৰ পাৰ্ট 5 ভিডিঅ'টো মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ লৈ আহিছোঁ আৰু এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আছে 30টা অতি দৰকাৰী জিকে প্ৰশ্ন আৰু উত্তৰ প্ৰথম 4টা পাৰ্টত 110টা কুৱেশ্যন দিয়া হৈছিল গতিকে এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমাৰ প্ৰশ্ন 111ৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হ'ব প্ৰশ্নকেইটা যিকোনো পৰীক্ষাৰ বাবে খুবেই দৰকাৰী গতিকে দেৰি নকৰি আমি ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ আমাৰ প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে দ্য আৰ্লিয়েষ্ট হিষ্টৰিকেল ডাইনেষ্টি অফ আছাম ৱাজ ডেট অফ দ্য পালাছ বৰ্মনছ নৰকাছ নে চালস্তম্ভছ আৰু ইয়াৰ এনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন বি বৰ্মনছ নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে হু ৰোট বন্দে মাতৰম মহম্মদ ইকবাল শৰৎ চন্দ্ৰ চেটাৰ্জী বংকিম চন্দ্ৰ চেটাৰ্জী নে ৰবীন্দ্ৰনাথ টেগৰ আৰু এনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন চি বংকিম চন্দ্ৰ চেটাৰ্জী Our next question is do or die was the slogan during the Swadeshi movement, the non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience movement, and the Quit India movement. Our daughter is the Quit India movement. Next question is Bermuda Triangle is located on Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Guinea, and Persian Gulf. Our answer is Caribbean Sea. Next question to is which strait divide Europe and Africa? Bosporus, Bering, Dover, and Gibraltar. Are we to is option D, Gibraltar. Next question to is in India, which among the following formulates the fiscal policy? Niti Aayog, the Ministry of Finance, the Finance Commission, and the Reserve Bank of India. Our answer to is option B, the Ministry of Finance. Our next question to is the terracotta industry in Assam was developed in the district Gwalpara, Borak Valley, Dhubri, Tinsukia. Are we are to is Dhubri. Option C. Next question to is the minimum needs program was introduced in the 4th plan, 5th plan, 6th plan, and 7th plan. Are we are answer to is option B, 5th plan. Next question to loi jao. Next question to is the first systematic attempt of economic planning in India was made in the year 1934, 1937, 1943, and 1944. Our year answer to is option A, 1934. Our next question to is Panidihing Birds Sanctuary is located in which of the following district of Assam? Jorhat, Golaghat, Sibsagar, and Dhemaji. Our year answer to is option C, Sibsagar. Our next question to is the Santisena force was formed in Assam during independence movement before the commencement of the Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, ne Ahom association. Our year to is option A, Quit India movement. Next question to is the Burunjis are autobiographical writings of the Ahom rulers, diaries written by the monarchs, chronicles, ne none of the above. Our answer to is option C. Burunjis are chronicles. Our next question to is the first session of the Indian National Congress was presided over by W.C. Banerjee, B.R. Ambedkar, J.L. Nehru, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Our answer to is option A. W.C. Banerjee. Our next question to is under the Mountbatten Plan, a referendum in Assam was to be held in the district of Sibsagar, Lakhimpur, Gwalpara, and Sylhet. Our answer to is option D, Sylhet. Our next question to is the king nicknamed as Bhagaraja was Sutiamfa, Sutamala, Suramfa, and Sunyatfa. Our answer to is option C, Suramfa. Our next question to is Sodiakhua Gohai was a Jamindar, king, frontier officer, and naval commander. Our answer to is option C, frontier officer. Our next question to is a pioneer lady responsible for forming the Mrityu Bahini in Assam in connection with the freedom struggle of the country was Chandraprabha Soikiani, Puspalata Das, Rani Gaidinliu, and none of the above. Our answer to is option B, Puspalata Das. Our next question to is Bagurumba is a folk dance performed by Garos, Boros, Missings, and Ravas. Our answer to is option B, Boros. Our next question to is which government remained in power in India for the shortest period? Saran Singh government, Chandrasekhar government, Gujral government, ne Bajpayee government in 1996. And your answer to is option D, Bajpayee government in 1996. Next question to is the Assam region was separated from the Bengal presidency in 1874, 1889, 1861, ne 1826. And we are doctor is option A, 1874. Our next question to is which of the following writs is issued by the court in case of illegal detention of a person? Habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, ne quo warranto. And we are doctor to is option A, habeas corpus. Our next question to is the age of retirement of the judges of the High Court is 62 years, 65 years, 58 years, ne 60 years. Our answer is 62 years. Our next question to is which of the following cases cannot be filed directly in the Supreme Court? Disputes between two or more states, cases against encroachment on fundamental rights, if one's property is forcefully occupied by the other, ne both A and B. And we are uttor to is option C, if one's property is forcefully occupied by the other. Our next question to is besides its permanent seat at Delhi, the Supreme Court can also meet at any other metropolitan city, any other major city, any other place as decided by the Chief Justice of India in consultation with the President, any other union territory. And we are daughter is option C, any other place as decided by the Chief Justice of India in consultation with the President. Our next question to is the Supreme Court of India decides the disputes regarding the election of the Prime Minister, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker, the President and Vice President, ne all of the above. And your answer to is option C, the President and Vice President. Our next question to is salaries of the judges of the Supreme Court are drawn from the grants in aid, contingency fund, consolidated fund, ne public accounts. And here who daughter is option C, consolidated fund. Our next question is if the parliament passes a law which is against the constitution, it can be declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court, President, Chief Justice of India, and a bench of High Court judges. And here who daughter is option A, Supreme Court. Our next question, a High Court consists of a Chief Justice and at least 5 other judges, such other judges as specified in the Constitution, such other judges as determined by Parliament, and such other judges as determined by the President. Our daughter is option D, such other judges as determined by the President. Next question is which of the following High Courts covers more than one state union territories? Delhi, Allahabad, Guwahati, none of these. Our daughter is option C, Guwahati. Next question number 140. Ajir hekhor question to is a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha has to be passed returned by Rajya Sabha within 14 days, 21 days, 1 month, 3 months. And we are daughter to is option A, 14 days. বন্ধুসকল ভিডিওটো চাই কেনেকুৱা পালে আপোনালোকে কমেন্ট কৰি জনাব আৰু কিবা এডভাইস বা কোৱেশ্চন যদি থাকে তেন্তে কমেন্ট কৰি মোক সুধিব পাৰে আৰু যদি ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকে ভাবে যে আপোনালোকৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল যিসকলে কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামৰ বাবে প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰি আছে তেওঁলোকে চোৱাটো দৰকাৰ তেন্তে হোৱাটছএপ বা ফেচবুকত ভিডিওটোৰ লিংক শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু ভিডিওটো ভাল পালে লাইক কৰিব আৰু আসাম গভট কেৰিয়াৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলটো যদি এতিয়ালৈকে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেন্তে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি দিব যাতে নতুন ভিডিওৰ আপডেট আপোনালোকে পাই থাকে ধন্যবাদ